Hi, today I want to share with you about career counseling. Career counseling is another type of counseling. Uh, a career counselor doesn't has to know everything, but in terms of depend how much experience the counselor have. So depend what resources that he or she might have. So it could be just one thing, just to have assessment. Uh, so I give you a list of things that I have experience with. That's over many years of experiences and also training. Here go the list. Career counseling. So under this over the broad topic is the skill set, uh, what types of skill the person have, the interest, what are the job interests that he or she wants to do, job cluster, that means that there are groups of uh, job title or job skill that might be fit for this job title. Also involved with the soft skills such as interpersonal relationship, time management, and those are the things that the person needs to have other than uh, the basic skill or knowledge that the person needs for the job. So I will go over that with the list with another video about soft skill. That's a very important aspect of career counseling. Resume, that's a very important piece too. So how to write a good resume, what include, what not include. There are a lot of different things that could help to make your resume look a lot better and catch attention so you will get an interview, job interview. And the third is job search skill, way to look for jobs. That's very important too. Hiring process, job interview, follow-up second interview, what to do when you are called to have a second interview, what does that mean? And then finally, you are hired, then what? So there are new hire on board checklist. Uh, there's also what we call 3 to 6 months adjustment for a new job. So these are the things that could be included with a career counseling. It could be long-term, it could be short-term, or it could be over time, a different situation. Then the person will come to you or need somebody to help them with that situation. So the second area is the workplace problem. When the person is hired, there might be a situation where they have the employee might have conflict with the management, with the coworker, the workload management, and that is either too much work, not enough work, or things that they have problem with their workload, doing the job, different situation. What I call is PPT, that is people, process, and the technology challenge. So those are the three major challenges for the workload management. The next thing is training for the task. Even though the person may have a degree or may hire or get hired because of a degree, but while doing the job, there may be other internal training that the employee might have. So these are the things that the employee needs to learn how to go about to get the training, and also what it means to really to keep up with the knowledge that they in order to do the job or to get ahead. Now the next big group area is called the employee rights, and that has to do with human resources, HR, or legal and labor law. Okay, the first thing is equal opportunity, internal promotion. Everybody should be treated equally in terms of promotions or pay scale. Harassment, that's a big one. Sexual harassment or hostile work environment. The next one is what happens when an employee gets sick. FMLA, what it is, that is Family Medical Leave Act, and for employee illness or for the family member illness. What happens if the employee get disabled, get hurt, either off the job or on the job, went into disability, short-term or long-term? What does that mean? Workers' compensation, injury at work. That's a big one too. The next group is layoff and fire from the job. There's a difference between layoff and fire from the job. Also, exit, leaving the company, whether it's retirement or whether you feel that you need to look for a different job. That's not the right job for you. And how do you know that should you leave the current job now and to for another job? And what are the risks taking that you're going to have? These are the things that you have to really to have somebody to help you to sort out those pros and cons. Okay, so transition to a new job, what it means. Okay. Additional training, whether you need more training and maybe a new job, another new job. To transition to a new job that require a certification. So how do you get that while you're working on your former job? So these are the things that in terms of timing, you have to know, prepare yourself for it. Leaving the company, that is retirement or long-term disability. So I will stop here, and then I will put out more video on different aspects. The next video will be on the soft skill. And then if you look at the description or the comment section of this video, you will also see some of the references that I will post it there, and that will be helpful to you.